Welcome to the Teachers Impact Podcast, or better yet known as The Tip, where teachers can come to master their craft, use their voice, and enhance student learning. Welcome to the Teachers Impact Podcast, better yet known as The Tip. In today's episode, we'll explore how to use level design and Class Dojo for better classroom management. If you're excited as I am, say woo woo! So if you find yourself struggling with classroom management or looking to refresh your current plan, you're in for some valuable tips that will lead you to a more effective classroom management. So if you don't know, Class Dojo is an online platform that allows students to earn points for developing pro-social skills and displaying good behavior. When I first started using Class Dojo, the novelty, the newness of the reward system kept my students engaged. However, like any extrinsic reward system, the novelty wore off quickly. And so, drawing inspiration from my experience as a Google Maps contributor, where level design keeps us engaged by earning badges for accumulated points, I wonder how I could translate this idea to Class Dojo to keep my students engaged just as I am when I'm doing Google Maps. So, as part of my comprehensive classroom management plan, I introduced a treasure box where students can earn prizes. So instead of relying solely on my discussion, I tied the prizes to the number of points they accumulated through Class Dojo. The levels, so these are the levels that I set up. You can set it up in the way that you feel is, best fits your students. So for level 1, that's the easiest level that the students can get to. That was 300 points, and that would equal 1 prize from the treasure box. So level 2 is even harder to get to, which is 900 points. They can get 2 prizes from the treasure box. Okay, level 3, you would have to get 1,300 points, and you can get 3 prizes from the treasure box. So I'm still working on what happens as they go up in the levels. What I will probably do is to make it so that they're able to, one of the prizes or one of the things in the treasure box could be to sit in whichever seat that they choose, or sit next to a friend. So I'm updating that this year, so I'll let you know how that goes. So what I did notice with that was once the students reached the highest level, they had the privilege of choosing their reward from a selection of options. So students lost points for not following the classroom rules. So that's how I set up my Class Dojo using level design. It's really great. The students that I had last year were really into it. It was an incentive for them to really follow the rules and to keep the behavior, be able to manage the behavior more effectively. Definitely something that I would try out if you need something new to help you refresh and to just something different for your students to keep with the novelty. And finally, my students did maintain their excitement throughout the year, and they made every effort not to lose points. And, the system, it helped me to reinforce positive behavior and discourage those negative behavior. While it may not be a foolproof method, it is an essential part of my effective classroom management plan. For more insights into great classroom management, be sure to check out these episodes, 5 must-dos for great classroom management and how to build a healthy classroom culture. So, incorporating level design for classroom management is one innovative approach to keep students engaged, promote learning, and reinforce positive behavior. All right, so key takeaways from this episode: a comprehensive classroom management plan was implemented. So making sure that you have a plan in place. This is part of the plan. So part of it is incorporating a treasure box where students earn prizes based on their accumulated points in Class Dojo. Specific point levels were assigned to corresponding prizes in the treasure box, encouraging students to accumulate points for rewards. The system that was implemented made students excited, and they made all the efforts to avoid losing points throughout the school year. And again, this is not a foolproof system, but it is valuable and can be an essential part of an effective classroom management plan. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to check out the website, teachersimpact.net. If you found this content helpful, please share, favorite, and rate on your favorite podcast app. It helps the show to grow, reach more teachers, and have an impact. Happy learning and growing.